All right, welcome back to the channel. On today's video, I'm gonna continue working on the not a Fiero build. I'm gonna be working on the rocker panels, cutting them off and extending them out, framing these rocker panel areas here. So first thing I'm gonna be doing is cutting off the rocker panel, the exterior skin, then connecting my framework to the body itself. So let's go ahead and get started. All right, so I'm pretty much finished on this side here, pretty much where I really want it to be. All the geometry and everything is where it's supposed to be for the kit itself. Right now, this is bare bones, basic. So I did put on the body kit in order to get these dimensions and everywhere where it's supposed to come out and protrude and everything. So if you want to see the process and exclusive videos of the body kit before the videos actually come out, you could join and become a member. For those of you that are not members, you're just gonna have to follow along with the videos. All right, so I'm pretty much finished with the welding of this frame here. It looks pretty good. Went ahead and fully welded it in. Looks pretty crappy, of course, but I'm gonna go in here and clean up everything. This is gonna be underneath the body kit anyway, so you're not gonna see none of this. What I'm gonna do is go ahead and wire wheel all the joints and spray this in, finish this project. So pretty much right now, still working on trying to get the body kit finished. My printer went down a couple days ago, so I have to do a couple more things there. One other thing that I noticed that I don't like, what I did here, is on the roof itself. It's a little low toward the back where I don't have too much headroom, so I'm gonna wind up cutting right down there by the firewall and raising it up a little bit. Try to keep the windshield exactly where it is. So I'm gonna be bracing right around this area here again. and raising the rear of the roof and welding that back in. Since the video game model is a lot lower, I had to redesign the rear area to meet the roof. I'm gonna go ahead and end this video right here. As usual, if you like the video, go ahead, hit the like button, subscribe, leave a comment, and I'll see you on the next video. Peace.